Fort Collins here. Not sure. Just wind and rain, or Gus said it was going to be pretty bad wind, but there's pretty good sized windstorm coming too, or with it. It's coming in the door a little bit. Probably ought to. As long as I stand back here, I don't get all wet. Oh crap! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Right on his truck! Oh my gosh! Oh shoot! Oh wow! Oh my gosh! That tree just came down on this guy's truck across the street. I kind of got it on video. I don't know if I got it as well as I'd like to, but oh my gosh! Oh, please don't fall. Please don't fall. Oh my gosh. Oh, we better shut this door. Oh shoot. Shut the door, because I don't know if Jesse's tree's going to handle it. It's pretty heavy duty, but it's dead also. Kind of dead. So, oh my gosh. Whoa. Holy cow. Okay, tree. You got to stay up there, because I'm sure that truck got enough of it right there. I don't know. I can't tell if it hit the truck, though. Can you tell if it hit his truck?
Hold on. I have to get my glasses on first.
Well, I've got mine on, but I can't tell because the rain in the window is just really bad. Oh my gosh.
No, it missed his truck.
Did it miss his truck? Well, thank goodness.
Maybe like a couple branches, but...
Whoo, boy. If he stays in the house, I'm sure. Well, he may not even be home. This might just be, he might be at work. It might just be the vehicle that's there. Oh my gosh. And we can't really see because the rain's coming down so bad. Let's watch that tree, make sure.
Mom, your windows are freaking down.
No, don't worry about it. It's not that bad. It's just a little crack. Don't worry about it. I don't want you out there.
Mom, that window is down.
It's down a little bit. Don't worry about it. I'm not worried about a little bit. I checked them before we left for our trip to Estes Park. Honey. I know you don't want no rain in there, but I don't want you out there. It's not bad. It's not down enough for you to worry about it. It's starting to calm down a little bit too. Hopefully that's the worst of it. Oh my gosh. That's what your brother was worried about. He says, I don't like the big wind. And
That missed his truck by a couple inches.
yeah, I just keep thinking it. I didn't see it bounce when it came down. So
Oh wait, no, it did hit it.
did it hit it? See, that's why there's a box flying down the road here, or washing. That's what you call a little bit of a wash there.
A little? That is not a little. No, that is not a little.
Okay, as long as nothing like floats away, we're okay. And hopefully this guy's house is okay. I wonder how many other trees have came down out there. Wow.
Hopefully this stops.
Wow. And your brother, or my brother, is with Callista getting her furniture out of her truck. I told him, I said, you guys be prepared. Uh-oh, here it comes again. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, there goes another branch? No? Thought there was another one coming down. Oh, wow. Sorry, I wasn't watching the screen.
You scared me. I was in the bathroom.
Oh, yeah, that scared me too. All I heard was a crack, crack. That's all I heard. No lightning, just broke. Wow. There's one big old tree branch. Everything got watered, that's for sure. Just got his front and backyard mowed yesterday, just in time for this big old heavy downpour. And I can't see the other neighbors' yards to see if they've lost any trees. Lots of dead trees up here, but I can't see that far up. The way his window is set up here. My goodness. Didn't realize I had it that close. Still.
Mom, where'd you put the Doritos?
They're oh, in Uncle Jesse's car trunk. You're gonna have to wait until the storm is past. That would not be a good suggestion for you to go out there right now. This has been going on for about 3 minutes now, so hopefully here pretty soon it's gonna kind of wear itself out here.
If that's been going on for 3 minutes.
Well, maybe 8 minutes, because it's got here the timer. I just looked at it. Not coming down like it was, but it's still coming down. Bummer. Wow. Okay, I think that's the worst of it. See y'all later.